you can see the earth. Yes, this is the earth. It is surrounded with something. What is it surrounded with? It is surrounded by the air, that is the atmosphere. And also we have discussed that air, that is a gas, also exerts pressure, also exerts pressure. So this atmosphere, the pressure exerted by this air, the atmosphere, is known as atmospheric pressure. Okay, that means there is a pressure on a head, the pressure of the air, the force which is acting per unit area on your head. Yes, that is the atmospheric pressure. We'll do one activity of pressure exerted by the air. Here, can you see? I know you will say this is a toothbrush, but I'm not talking about the toothbrush. I'm talking about the bottom part of it. Here, this is made up of rubber. This is a kind of a sucker. Okay, let's see how it exerts pressure, atmospheric pressure. Okay, you see now, if I am trying to place it here, it is not here, it is falling. If I'm trying to place it here, it is falling. Yes, now I'll apply some force and press it here. Can you see? It has stuck. Now, what do you observe? What do you observe? That when you press the sucker, most of the air between it and the surface escapes out. The sucker sticks to the surface because the pressure of the atmosphere acts on it. That is, when we were pressing it here, when we were pressing it, then what happened? Most of the air between the surface, between its surface, between it, that is the sucker, and the board, it escaped out, and due to which there was a pressure, and that pressure was due to the air which was acting on it, and the air means the surrounding air, that is the atmospheric air. So that's why the pressure which is acting on the sucker right now is the atmospheric pressure. This completes our chapter. Table 11.2 was left, so we are going to complete that table now. Now, the diagrams were there, which I have not drawn. It is already present in the PDF which I shared with you all. A lump of dough on a plate, that is a lump of dough on a plate, that is the description of the situation. How to apply force, that is pressing it down with hands. So, action of force, change in the state of motion, no. Change in its shape, yes, आटे का shape change हो जाता है. Then spring fixed to the seat of a bicycle. So how to apply force? By sitting on it. Change in its motion, no, motion doesn't change, the seat doesn't start moving. But change in its shape, yes, the shape changes. Then again the description of the situation, a rubber band suspended from a hook or a nail fixed on the wall. How to apply force? By hanging a weight or by pulling its free end. So change in its motion, no, rubber band doesn't start moving, but yes, the shape of the rubber band changes. Then a plastic or metal scale placed between two bricks. By putting a weight at the center of the scale is how to apply force. So again, change in motion, actually the ruler doesn't start jumping, doesn't move, but yes, the shape changes. Then a sheet of paper. By crumpling it with both hands, it starts moving? No, but its shape changes. Then a piece of sponge in your hand. How to apply force? By pressing it with your hand. It doesn't start moving, but its shape changes. Notes, I'm going to share it now. If you have written the old notes, no problem. Otherwise, you can follow the new notes. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.